It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, December 7th. I'm James Spann. A cool, cloudy day today. Very cold air flooding in here tomorrow, and another surge of Arctic air toward the end of next week, and along the way, some rain. So, very active December pattern. Water vapor satellite view, a cold look for North America. A vortex is north of Duluth, Minnesota. Very cold air flooding the northern states. And around here, kind of an overcast day unless you are in extreme northeast or southwest Alabama. And temperatures are in the 40s and low 50s. Only 43 at Haleyville. Birmingham at 50 at mid-afternoon. Tomorrow's going to be colder and a strong north wind picks up. And you can see that really cold air flooding the northern states. Many communities in Montana are below zero at midday. And it's not going to be that cold here, but it's going to be the coldest weather we've had since February here, tomorrow and Friday. A lot of winter storm watches in effect for the northwestern United States, but things are quiet here. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week, about 1 inch for the northern half of the state. And the next chance of measurable rain will likely come late Sunday and Sunday night as the weekend wraps up. So here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. You can see a trough digging down from the Great Lakes. Down below that, an Arctic front comes through. And there could be a few sprinkles with the front, but the air very dry. We don't think there'll be enough rain to measure. Many of you with no rain. North winds 15 to 25, gusting to 30. Highs low to mid-40s. It's going to feel a lot colder because of the wind. By Friday morning, we're expecting lows between 20 and 25. Still have a north breeze going on. We'll see wind chill values down in the teens early Friday morning, and the high Friday will be around 40 in most spots. Areas north of Birmingham should stay in the 30s all day. There's a look at the actual numbers at noon Friday coming off the GFS, and again, up north you can see a lot of sub-zero midday readings expected for parts of Montana, the Dakotas, and Minnesota. Saturday morning, again, lows down around 20, teens for the colder spots. It's going to be clear with light winds, so the colder valleys will head down toward the mid-teens. Most of the official reporting stations will be at or just over 20. And the sky will be sunny, we should mention, Friday and Saturday, and we start to warm up a little bit Saturday afternoon. The high should be in the upper 40s. Sunday, clouds move in, will be in the 50s, and you can see rain just north and west of here, and by Sunday night, that rain moves in here. With the next wave, it looks like rain amount should be about 1/2 inch for most spots Sunday night, and by early Monday morning, the rain will end, and then by midday, the rain is gone. This is Monday at noon, and again, highs in the 50s, mid-50s most likely, and maybe some clearing. Now, this is Tuesday. We have seen some runs that show a little light rain. This one looks dry. Not so sure the sun breaks out much if this is right. High should be in the 50s. And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 14th. And again, that is a very cold vortex over Canada. And down below that, evidence of some light rain with a subtropical jet streak coming through here, not especially heavy. Highs in the 50s. This is the following day, Thursday the 15th. And again, that looks very cold. Midday, the freeze line is sitting just north of Birmingham. If that's right, we'd be in the 30s all day. Here's a look at the actual observed temperatures. And again, sub-zero cold Thursday afternoon for parts of Minnesota, maybe Chicago, Milwaukee, Madison, up into North Dakota. It's very cold. The air we'll see at the end of next week could be colder than the air coming in here tomorrow and Friday. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, December 17th, and again, a very cold look for much of the continent. And this is showing maybe another chance of rain here, no winter weather mischief, and we stress for the next 10 days there is no evidence of any snow or ice, despite what you might hear in Alabama. But that looks like a winter weather mess for the Great Lakes if that verifies. Check the numbers. Generally speaking, below average. You can see the cold air shot coming in here tomorrow and Friday. Another cold air shot at the end of next week. And a lot of days, highs only in the 40s and lows in the 20s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.